Hello and welcome to our video application note. My name is David from TRIBOTOUCH. In this application note we'll perform a scrub and sponge test. In fact, we are interested in the scratch and bar resistance of surfaces after being subject of a common cleaning process. For example, surfaces like you have in your kitchen, in your bathroom, or even in your vehicle. Most scratch tests are performed with constant load and constant speed. However, this is not how the majority of people would clean a surface. The cleaning process is a very dynamic combination of speed and force. And don't forget to add cleaning agent. The TRIBOTOUCH is simulating the human physiology by touching a surface. The same is happening when we are cleaning a surface. However, it's done a lot more dynamically. We'll perform the scrub test on 5 different samples. One sample is electroplated chrome, the other 4 samples are different PVD coatings. We'll perform the mar and scratch test with a standard Scotch-Brite soft scrub from the supermarket. In addition, we'll perform the test with a scrub surface of a rather aggressive sponge. However, be aware, also the aggressive sponge is available in the supermarket. The TRIBOTOUCH developer menu allows you to freely choose position, acceleration, speed and brakes. To simulate the dynamic cleaning process, we have chosen 250 mm per second as an upward speed and as a return speed 150 mm per second. We have performed a total of 1000 test cycles. Every 100 test cycle we have added 1 milliliter of cleaning agent. We have successfully completed the first test series with the Scotch-Brite soft scrub, which claims to leave no scratch marks on the surface. The sample we see here is the electroplated chrome. We see slight scratches if we have the light on the right position, but it's definitely not bad. All the other samples, the PVD coatings, were fine. We did not see any scratches at all. The second test series we have performed with the Scotch-Brite heavy duty scrub. Obviously this scrub should not be used for kitchen and bathrooms. If you look at the sample, this is the electroplated chrome sample. Most of the coating has been rubbed away after the 1000 cycles. This is the gold-plated PVD coating on brushed surface. Surprisingly, also that very hard coating, PVD coating, has been scratched and removed away in certain areas. The same effect of the scratches also counts for the high gloss PVD coating. Also here we see certain areas where the coating has been removed. The same as for the gold PVD coating counts for the black PVD coating. We see large scratch marks on the surface. In certain areas the coating has been removed. The same counts for the high gloss PVD coating with significant scratch marks. So when you clean your kitchen or your bathroom, be careful on the selection of the scrub. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay tuned on our channel. Thank you.